Hello YouTube, today I'll be showing you how to repair a peg that has been broken. This is a peg from my master grade GP03 Stamen, the bazooka part, which helps the bazooka fold. It's an important part, so be sure to save the piece. First, I took a needle from my old airbrush. Be sure to use one that you're not going to use again, because we're going to need to break a piece off. Before inserting the piece, I made sure to drill a hole with my drill bit. Pick the right size of drill bit, something that's similar to the diameter of the metal rod that you're using. Made a mark, and then I went on to drilling it. Did some testing to check if it's going through and if it fits, and it seems to be alright. Holds the part in place. Drilled it all the way, inserted the metal rod to check once again, and everything seems to look fine. So let's get on to the other side. Fits well. However, we're gonna have to make some grip for a part that's inside, so take the broken piece just now and drill a hole through it. Once you're done, seat it inside the other half where the metal rod is supposed to go in. This provides grip for a flippy lock thing. It also helps keep it in place. Once the glue is properly dried, drill through all the way. And now, some more test fitting before I go through. And that plastic part provides some grip to this. This is the flippy thing I was talking about earlier. All's looking good. So let's drill through all the way. Drilling takes some time, so be sure not to rush it, because we want that hole to be straight as possible. And if it isn't straight, it's not gonna fit. And I'm sure nobody wants that. After drilling, be sure to clean up any rough marks on the edges. We want our model kits to look nice now, don't we? Oh, one more thing. This metal part needs some shaving down, so I just used a simple file, grind it down, nice and smooth. Let's assemble the bazooka. Alright, seat the parts together. Be sure not to break anything or move anything too much. And the moment of truth, assembling the joint that was broken. Alright, fits really nicely. Now let's push that metal rod in. You might need to use the needle to help with pushing the metal rod through. A little bonus, this also adds some detail to your part. And as you can see, the part works as good as new. This is a little snippet from my MG GP03 Stamen build. If you'd like to see more of the video, it'll be uploaded shortly after this. And by shortly, I mean in the next decade or so. Please wait. Once again, thank you all for watching. Goodbye.